That's the oncoming loose no matter what ratchet.
Bump it up.
Yeah, keep coming the same direction.
Towards you or towards me?
Towards you.
I'm just going a tiny bit.
Go a little bit more.
I'm trying to get as centered in there as we can.
I hate that thing. It's the only one left.
One bolt.
Look.
Woo!
Hey.
Success!
He's got the most important part. Don't ever hate on the flashlight.
Seeing is great.
Seeing is cool. Oh, you know, just elbow deep transmission at the moment. It's fine. It's totally fine. There's nowhere else I'd rather be.
Ready?
Yeah! Woo! So we took everything off. And then we took about 5 breaks in between. And we're this close. I mean, this close to getting it out. So we still got a long way to go. But we're gonna get it. This side's out. Alright. I'll hand it over.
I see a loose motor.
Alright, I got separation in the bell housing.
Alright. Get the front bars.
So if we pull this filter, we'll push the motor a little bit till it past that knob, and then the anchor up.
See if you can get a little more separation out of
That's what I was gonna do here.
More up?
Yeah. A minor setback. Well, Steve.
Well, I'll switch this out, get it into that motor. Once this is fixed and in there, then we'll be rocking and rolling.
Cool. Well, yeah, because
We can double check it, but at 3,000 miles, I can't imagine it would be too tight. The engine here, like that, instead of having that tight U.
Yep.
So what we'll do is we'll take this fitting out, and I bought the O-ring balls, JIC. That'll screw in there, and then we shouldn't have this problem again.
So, Steve, what's the torque spec on these?
6 Ugga-Duggas.
All right.
And if you're not sure, go 8 Ugga-Duggas.
4 until it breaks.
And remember, a cross thread's better than a no thread.